This weekly opening activity, called Epic Bible Skills Drills, will challenge the children to learn Bible skills while competing to win pieces of today's main point. The children will play games that teach them about the Old and New Testaments, help them memorize the order of the books of the Bible, and learn to quickly look up passages and verses. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will be using materials from Lesson 1. Lead the activity like this. All right, come on in, guys. Welcome, welcome. All right, welcome to Epic. We have our Epic series starting now, and something that is epic is something that is big, huge, and it is an adventure, and the Bible is the most epic best-selling book of all time. And so we're going to play some games that are going to help you learn and understand more about the Bible, about the order of the books, and about how the Bible is put together. So the first type of games that we're going to play are going to be ones that teach you about the two main sections of the Bible, the Old Testament and the New Testament, and about the order of the books of the Bible. So let's take a look at some of those games. All right, this game is called Bible Book Dodgeball. So the way this is going to work is we've got two teams, the throwers and the dodgers, and then off of the dodgers I put one person to be the searcher. So what this really works out to be is the searcher, Melissa, is going to try to look up a Bible verse before the throwers eliminate all of the dodgers. All right, so you dodgers, you're going to go into the box and you can't catch the balls, you can't touch them, you just have to dodge, okay? Melissa, as soon as I hand you this verse, I'm going to say what it is, I'll tell you the reference, and you start looking it up as quickly as you can, because the throwers who are throwing the dodgeballs, they're going to keep throwing and eliminating your team until you find the verse. All right? Everybody got it? Okay. And throwers, you're on opposite sides, so hopefully the balls will end up back on the other side. You can enter the square to grab a ball if you need to, but you must throw from outside the square. Everybody understand? All right. Dodgers, go enter the square, get ready to dodge. Melissa is ready to look up the verse. Throwers are ready to throw. Here we go. Jeremiah 49:9, go. Dodge, dodge, dodge. She's looking it up. She got it? Oh, I think it was a tie. She got it just as you guys all got eliminated. Very, very good job. That was pretty quick. All right. Now, also, to make this game a little simpler for your younger kids or kids who just don't have that good of Bible skills, you could, instead of having them look up the complete Bible address, you could just have them look up the book instead. So that way, as soon as they find the book of Jeremiah, they've got it, and they can stop the other team. All right, very good job, you guys. All right, who wants to be the searcher this next round? Okay, come on, Gail, come on over here. Melissa, you can hop out there and be a dodger, and let's go. All right, guys, this game is called Old or New. One of the biggest divisions in the Bible that will really help you to, if you get it sorted out, is the Old Testament and the New Testament, okay? So what I've got here is I've got cards up there with, each card has a book of the Bible on it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna run up there, you're gonna grab one of those cards, look at that book that's on there and decide, is it in the Old Testament or the New Testament? If it's in the Old Testament, you're gonna run, put it over in this Old Testament bucket, and then come back, and the next person will go. If you think it's in the New Testament, you'll put it in the New Testament bucket, and then you'll run back, and the next person will go. Okay, so Old Testament on this side, New Testament on this side. Now, some of you might not remember which one's Old Testament, which one's New Testament. That's okay. We're playing this game to learn, so I have like a little map for you to use to help you out. It tells us the order of the books. But we've got a whole stack up there. You don't have to grab them in any particular order. So if there's one that you already know where it goes, go ahead and grab that one, because this game is about speed, and the more you're checking that paper, the slower you're going, all right? So as soon as you guys are done, I'm gonna have another team go, and we'll compare your times and see which team is the fastest, all right? Now, you could do two teams at the same time. You would just need to double your materials. So you'd need 4 buckets and 2 sets of everything. All right, are you guys ready? One at a time, sort into Old and New Testaments. On your mark, get set, go. Get just one card. There you go. Next person. All right. Good job. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. All right, I've got to check these for accuracy to make sure, and we'll see. We'll check on these. We'll be right back. All right, guys, I just checked these, and it looks like we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that were incorrect. So that means I'm going to add 10 seconds per each one of those. That's 60 seconds, 1 minute to your time. So that makes it 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Pretty good job for your first try. All right, so since these were a problem, let's help ourselves out. Which book or which testament is Joel in?
The Old.
The Old Testament, that is correct. What about Acts?
New.
New Testament. Acts is the Acts of the church, the apostles, as the church grew, that's right. What about Titus?
New.
New, that is a letter written by Paul, that's right. And Colossians?
New.
New. Galatians?
New.
New, that is correct. And Philemon?
New.
New as well. Very good job, you guys. All right, well, we'll get lined up and let the other team go and see if they can do better than you guys. Good job. All right, guys, this activity is called Switch 'em Up. So what I've done is I've got the books of the Bible. There's 66 books in the Bible. I've got them all spread out there, and I want you to switch them to get them in order. Let me explain what I mean. So we're going to start with this top row, and I want them in the correct order, going all the way across, and then to the next row, then to the next row, then to the next row. So the first person will run out here, and you will switch the places of 2 of the cards to try to correct at least one of them. For example, I know the first book of the Bible is what?
Genesis.
Genesis. So I can clearly see that the first book up here is not Genesis. What is it? Can you guys see it from there?
Hebrews.
Hebrews. All right, so I'll just do your first move for you. How about that? I'm going to run up here, look for the book of Genesis. I see it right here. I know that Genesis is the first book, so I'm going to switch it with Hebrews, and then I'll run back, and the next person can go. All right? Now you've got your map back here. Stay behind the cone. You got your map back here to study, and you've got that one up there to help you as well. And when you think you are finished, I need someone to ring the bell. And when you ring the bell, I will stop both teams, and I will check to see if you are correct. And if you are correct, you're going to win 3 pieces of our main point puzzle. But if you are not correct, then the other team will win 1 piece of the main point puzzle for your mistake, and then we will continue working on it. All right? So obviously you're going to need 2 sets of these to set up and have 2 teams compete against each other. And whichever team wins is going to get more pieces of the main point puzzle. All right, you guys, are you ready? Okay, let's see if you can do it. On your mark, get set, go! Gotta find that book you're looking for. There it is. Just switching Exodus to the second place. Good. All right, I've been watching you guys work on this very hard, and let me just double check everything. Actually, let me use this. And it all looks correct. Good job. You guys are going to get 3 pieces of the main point for winning this competition. Very, very good job. All right, guys, now that you've had some practice learning about the order of the books, we're going to play some games that are going to challenge you to look up specific verses and books as quickly as possible. All right? So I'm going to need volunteers for these next series of games. All right, guys, this game is called Silent Lineup, all right? And what's going to happen is I'm going to give you one of these cards. On the card is the name of a book of the Bible. And after I distribute the cards, you guys are going to have to arrange yourself in the correct order of the Bible from the beginning to the end, from this side to that side, without speaking, okay? So you're going to be able to use the maps if you need them that will help you with the order of the Bible, but without talking to each other, you need to arrange yourselves in the correct order, all right? Now, there might be books in between you, because we don't have, obviously, 66 of you here today. But that's okay. You just need to be in the correct order. All right? So draw one of those. Don't look at it yet. Draw one of those. Draw one of those. Draw one of those. All right, and when I say go, you guys can start moving, get yourself in the correct order. When you think you're all in the correct order, go ahead and just raise your hands so that I know, and then I'll come and check. All right, you guys ready? Go. Think you have it correct? Don't look totally confident. Let's see. What do we got? We have Job. Okay. Next we have Ecclesiastes. That's correct. Next we have Nahum. That is correct. Next we have Revelation. That is correct. Very good job, you guys. Those are in the correct order. Very good job. And that's how you play silent lineup. All right, guys. This game is called Bible Book Math, and this is how it works. I pull up some kids to compete out of each team, and so I've got 2 from this team and 2 from this team. You can pull as many as 5 to face off representing their teams. And then what you guys are going to do is I'm going to show you a Bible Book Math flashcard, which looks like this. Okay, this one's pretty simple. 1 Samuel +1. So what that means is you're going to find the book that is one book past 1 Samuel, which is what? 2 Samuel. That's exactly correct. And the first person from their team to get their finger in that book, anywhere in the book, front, back, last page, doesn't matter, anywhere in the book, you're the winner. The other person is eliminated. And the first team to eliminate the whole other team, you guys are going to win, and you'll get the pieces of the main point puzzle for your team. All right, so you guys ready?
Ready.
All right, here we go. 1 Kings +2. 1 Kings +2. Wow, that was very close, but Melissa, you edged her out. Gail, you are eliminated. If you'll scoot back over here, and if you guys will rotate to the next player. All right, you guys ready? We're looking for numbers -1. Go. Numbers wow, that was really fast. Very good, Nathan. All right, you're eliminated if you'll step back. Melissa, you're up. Nathan, you're the last one left. Here we go, the final countdown. All right, you guys ready? Leviticus -2. Genesis. Very good job, Melissa. You're eliminated. Red team, you win. Congratulations. You will get main point pieces for your team, and that is how you play Bible Book Math. All right, this game is called Bible Object Race. So this is another game where you're going to pull up representatives from each team to compete. I've got 2 for each team here, and I've got a Bible for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I have some verses here. I'm going to show you a verse, and one of you at a time is going to have to look up that verse in the Bible, read the verse carefully, because you're going to have to run down here, and from this pile of objects, you're going to have to pull the correct object that was in the verse that you looked up. Okay, so you have to look it up, read it carefully, think about any objects that are in there, run down here, recognize that object, and bring it back. And then the next person will go. The team to score the most number of points will be the winner, and you will win pieces of the main point puzzle. All right, so you guys ready? All right, so you guys will compete first. Whichever one of you gets back first is going to score points for your team, and then we'll let the next pair compete. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Luke 14:5, go. Remember, you want to read that verse, see what object is in it, then run down there and grab the correct object. And Melissa's the first one back. What object do you have? A cow. That is correct. Cow is the correct object. Very good job. Point for the green team. All right, let's do the next players. Get up. Go ahead and close the Bible. Get ready. And let's look up the next verse. You guys ready? Exodus 11:7. Exodus 11:7. And look it up, read the verse, see what object there might be, and run down there, find the object, and bring it back. Gail's first one down and back. She brought back a dog, and that is correct. That is the correct object. You got a point for your team. All right. Hold on to that. And next person step up. We got a tie. We got to do a tiebreaker. Here we go. All right. Last one. Jeremiah 49:9. Jeremiah 49:9. Here she goes. And she's got it. What object is it? Grapes. Grapes. That is absolutely correct. Very good job. Green team wins. You guys win points for of your main point human pieces of the main point puzzle. Congratulations. And that's how you play Bible Object Race. All right, you guys did a great job competing in all of our Bible skills games today, and we got our main point puzzle put together. Our main point today is I will worship God. So let's say that all together, and then we'll go into large group, learn more about it.
I will worship God.
All right, let's go.